Big update regarding Poco X3 GT. Its unboxing video is out before its launch. On screen you can see the live images and screenshots taken from Poco X3 GT 5G unboxing video. Talking about specification, then it has 6.6-inch Full HD plus 120Hz LCD display, MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor, 64 megapixel triple camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, and 67 watt fast charging. What you have to say about it, you can tell me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for all latest updates.